special. Be confident. Be confident. Have goals. Success. Focus on the present. Power. Prosperity. Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Yeah, again, I'm back again. You know, I will do it here. Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala. I'm here back again to let you know, because the last time I told you we are talking about the power of who you are. This is the power of who you are, part 2. The power of who you are, part 2. That's what I want to talk about today. And now I want you to sit back and relax, because power over people is not power. Power over yourself is power. Power over people is not power. Power over yourself is power. I say power over people is not power. Power over yourself is power. So relax. Let's talk about the part 2 of power.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Welcome back. Like I said, this is the power of who you are, part 2. What you need to know about your life. Every day, you have to fight the power of darkness. I say every day, number one thing you need to know about your life every day is that you have to fight the power of darkness. I'm talking to you. Listen to me. I say every day you have to fight the power of darkness. And if you don't know these things, if you don't know that there's power in darkness every day about you, you will miss out in things that is happening to you. Every day you have to fight the power of darkness. There's power everywhere you go to. But if you are not inclined with the power of who you are, you cannot understand what is going on. So you need to know the power of who you are, because a lot of people are living, you understand, so but they are not existing. Why some people are existing but they are not living? I say a lot of people are living and they are not existing. Why a lot of people are existing but they are not living? I was in the gym. Let me put it clear. I was in the gym. I feel the energy, because I know who I am. I know the power that is within me. I feel some energy that is not good around me. I begin to sense, and I realize that somebody inside the gym was present but absent-minded. I take a look. I want to be sure if it's this person. So I go within me and I begin to ask myself, because I know the power that is within me, who is this particular person? I turn back, I look at him. He was present but absent-minded. You see what I'm telling you? You have to know the power that is within you. So this guy was present. So immediately I tap him and say, why are you behaving like this? He said, what do you mean? I said, why are you taking your mind? You letting your mind control you. Why will you allow your mind to control you? You have the right to control your mind. But why are you allowing your mind to control you? And I say, what do you mean, boss? I said, what do you mean? Come, let me talk to you. I took him by side and I said, what's going on with you? You are here, but you are... Formerly, when you used to come to the gym, you are happy. You are happy. You can't wait to come to the gym. But right now, it's like they are forcing you to pick this weight. I say, boss, you just told me what's going on inside of me. I said, I did not told you what's going on. I told you what you are missing. This thing is not going on outside of you. You are the one receiving it. Something is going on outside of you. You now take it and put it inside of you. It's going to contradict what is going on inside of you, because what is going on inside of you is called pure potentiality. What is going on inside of you is peace, is joy, is love. But now if you take anything outside of you, you begin to move it with your imagination and put it inside of you. It will not work. And now look at me and I say, boss, you just told me everything. I say, stop using that word. I told you everything. I not told you everything. I see something inside of you that don't supposed to be there. Because my life is connected to your life. Anybody you see today, because there's a place in the scripture, he say, none of those who trust in him shall be put to shame. So those who believe that there is God, when they see other people, they see them with the eye of God. They see them with the eye of love. So you need to fight that which is inside of you. Like as I was saying, the boy was so happy. This dude was so happy. I was talking to him and he looked at me and I said, who are you? I said, I'm a guy like you. And I said, how did you know this thing? And I said, because I come in contact with that which is in me. And when you come in contact with that which is in you, you begin to see from the eye of love. Everything you begin to see from the eye of love. That is all you need to know about yourself. And if you know those things, you'll not be fighting so many things. The things you are fighting has nothing to do with you. You are the one that invite them. And when you invite those things, life will never be meaningful. I will come back and tell you another thing you need to know about the power of who you are.
Breakthrough Talk with Obuslala.
Every day, I'm back again. Every day you need to know that you have power over illusion. What do I mean by illusion? Everything you are thinking that it does not come from your heart, if it comes from your head, it's illusion. You know what I mean by illusion? Illusion, what is not real? What is not real? You have to have power over illusion. Power over illusion. Because until you agree that what you are thinking and what you are two different things, my guy, you have not lived on this earth. So if you have power over illusion, you'll be living the things that is making people feel as if the world is coming to an end. You'll be laughing over it. How do I know that? It has happened to me time and time without no number. My PA is, I'm about to take a flight to Accra. My PA said there is no flight. I came back from Warri to Lagos. I said, book flight for me tomorrow morning. I'm going to Accra. I said, there's no flight. Tomorrow, Monday morning, there's flight. Say there's flight, but the flight has full. Say we have flight on Thursday. I say, book flight for me. Put me on that flight. He said, I say, okay, don't worry. I'll get back to you. I cut off the call. I was sleeping. Because I have power over illusion. I wake up. I call my boy, hey, come, let's go to the airport. That same Sunday, immediately I got to the airport. I said, I need a flight. They said, you have your COVID-19 test? I said, yes. I showed them. They said, okay. What's the possibility? They said, can you go tonight? I said, yes. That same Sunday, I fly. Because I listen to that one inside of me. So if you listen to that one inside of you, you'll be moving. People will tell you that this thing cannot be done. But because you have power over illusion, anything that you can see or anything that people have already programmed, because anything man does, man can destroy. It has been marked in the system that there is no flight. But when I get there, before I get there, they say there's flight tonight, but the flight has full. But I say I will be in the flight. You can open your mouth and say something. It will happen. You understand? So don't just say it and don't believe in what you say. When you say it, back it up with your belief system, because everything you believe on is the most important thing on earth. And you have to go out of your mindset so that you can know exactly what to believe, because some people have beliefs on certain things and they have blocked their imagination. Because your mind can be the greatest obstacle you have. Your mind can be the greatest obstacle you have. You have to go out of your mind sometimes and see. You understand? How to operate with your mind. If your mind operates in you, that means your mind is using you. You understand? That's why some people say, I can't get out of my mind. Is that no? You can get out of your mind. If you are thinking something and you are getting frustrated, no, your mind is using you. If you are thinking something and you are getting frustrated, no, your mind is using you. Everything you are thinking, it's not who you are. Go out of your content of your mind and move. Then you will see that you have power over illusion. Because anything outside of you that can control inside, no, you have a problem. Because money can be seen, different things can be seen. But if those things begin to be the things that you feel that if you have them, you'll be fulfilled inside, you are a liar. You are lying to yourself. That is called illusion. What is not real. So the reality of who you are is having power over illusion. And when you have power over illusion, the sky will be your limit. I'll come back and I will give you one more episode. Then you understand what I mean by the power over illusion.
Breakthrough Talk with Ogusilala.
I'm back again. The number 3 things you need to know every day. You know, I base my teaching on every day. Like I said, you see this particular one, I can teach on it 10 hours without getting tired. This particular one that you need to know every day. I talk about it every day. You have to know the power of your source. You have to know the power of your source. You came from one source, and that source is so dynamic that when people begin to see you, the first thing they will realize is who you are. When people see you, if you know the power of your source, when people, anywhere you go to, if I enter some place, only me one, I'm like 20 people because of what? The energy I took to anywhere, the energy I carried to anywhere. So you have to know the power of your source. I was talking to somebody a while ago that you have to know the power of your source. You now say, I know the power of my source, I'm from Africa. That's not what I'm talking about. I said something and I explained to the dude that the power of your source is that which is inside of you that no man can take from you. That which is inside of you that nobody on earth can take from you. The power of your source is the most important thing you need to know on planet Earth. If you know those things, you'll be living as if like the world belongs to you, which definitely belongs to you, because from the word of God, it says the heaven and the heaven belongs to the Lord, but the earth he has given to the children of men. So when you know those things, you begin to live as if like you don't even understand what you are doing, but you know what you are doing, but in reality, it's like you don't understand what you are doing. But when you go into the source, you now realize that, okay, you are not the one doing it. This body is just your temple that's operating what is inside of you. That is the power of your source. How do I know? Because the physical world is different from the reality world. You know what I said? The power of your source. How do I know? The physical world is different from the reality world. The physical world is what me and you can see, but the reality world, we cannot see it, and that is where you need to live. That is where the power of your source is. I say the physical world is where you can see me, I can see you, we can talk, and you feel as if there's nothing, there's not big deal. You understand? That's why, but if you look at this world based on physical alone, you think there's somebody special about you, there's something special about this, that, and that is where most people live. The physical world, they feel there are some people, nobody is special, everybody are one. Everybody are one, and when you go into that place, you now begin to see people. You see people for who they are. Like one of the greatest man who has ever lived, Apostle Paul. He said, I regard no man according to the flesh. So you see everybody with the eye of love. You do not see this one as if there's something special. This one has title, like I said the other time. You understand? Having power over people is not power. Having power over yourself, that's power. Real power. Real power. You go inside your source and you begin to pick things. The next time I will come on air again, I will let you know in the next episode the power of who you really are. Part 3. So, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for letting this video be in your hand. Don't let anybody fool you that this video come to you by accident. It did not come to you by accident. It did not pop up in your phone by accident. It did not pop up in your Facebook by accident. This video come into your hand because the power of your source is connected to you through a mystical way. You understand? Because everything is mystery. Everything is mystery. So talking to you now, it's not by mistake. It's all about the power of your source. That's why I have in contact with you. So do not underrate this video. Listen to it all over again, and let it sink inside of you. Then you go inside of you and begin to take that which belongs to you. Because when you listen to this video all over, you will see the power of your source will jump out without me even coming in contact with you physically. Take care. I'll talk to you guys in the next episode.